In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your JBL Tune Buds 2. It's a process of many different steps. Step number one is to make sure that they are both inside of the case. Then, if you have them connected with your iPhone or Android, disconnect them, okay? Use your Android or iPhone and remove them from the device. Open the case and take both of them out. Take one of them in your hand, doesn't matter which one it is, and you need to press the JBL button twice, and the third time keep that JBL logo pressed until both of them blink blue 2 times and turn off. Let me demonstrate so it makes a bit more sense what I mean by this. So I have choose this one. I could have picked the other one. It doesn't matter. I will press, and the third press, I keep my finger on it. Usually after 5 seconds, okay, both of them will be turned off. You see, there's no light. I can release. At that point, put them back inside of the case, close the lid, open the lid, and once you open the lid, if you look at them, both of them will be blinking blue. This means the factory reset has been done and they are now in Bluetooth pairing mode. You can take back your phone and start connecting them because they are factory resetted. Maybe you'll have to try what I just showed you a few different times. If you're not tapping quickly enough, unfortunately, it will not work. So tap, and the third tap, keep it pressed during at least 5 to 7 seconds until both lights on them are turned off. That's the trick over here. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.